The metaverse. It's everywhere these days, but what is it really? Imagine the internet, but instead of just looking at it, you step inside and interact with people and places in 3D. Like the early days of the internet, we're at the start of something huge. This is your chance to get in early, learn, and maybe even help shape what comes next. The metaverse is about exploring, creating, and connecting in ways we've never seen before. In this guide, we'll break down what the metaverse is, how to join, and what you can actually do there. No jargon, no tech headaches, just a clear, simple roadmap. From building your first avatar to making real money, we'll cover it all. The metaverse isn't here to replace reality, it's a new tool for gaming, socializing, learning, and working. Understanding it now gives you a head start as this new chapter of the internet unfolds. Ready to see what's possible? Let's dive in. Your metaverse journey starts now. So, what is the metaverse? Think of it as a 3D version of the internet you can actually step into. You create an avatar, explore digital worlds, and interact with others in real time. It's like a giant, always-on video game, but for everything: work, play, concerts, and more. The metaverse is a network of connected virtual spaces, not just one app or company. Instead of sharing photos, you share experiences, attending events, exploring worlds, or just hanging out. It's about presence, feeling like you're really there with others, no matter where you are in the world. The metaverse is a new dimension of the internet, just beginning to take shape. What powers the metaverse? It's a mix of cutting-edge tech. Virtual reality (VR) headsets put you inside digital worlds, tracking your movements for full immersion. Augmented reality (AR) overlays digital objects onto the real world. Think Pokemon Go or smart glasses. Powerful computers and fast internet make these experiences smooth and lifelike. Blockchain technology lets you truly own digital items, avatars, art, even land, using NFTs. All these tools combine to create vast, interactive worlds with real economies. You don't need to be a tech expert to join in, just curiosity and a sense of adventure. The magic is in how these technologies work together to make the metaverse possible. Joining the metaverse is easier than you think. The most immersive way is with a VR headset, but you can also use a regular computer or even your smartphone. VR headsets like MetaQuest offer full immersion, but most platforms work great on PC or Mac. No headset? No problem. Just download the app and use your keyboard and mouse. Many platforms have mobile apps, so you can jump in from anywhere. Your experience depends on your device, but the doors are open to everyone. Whether you want the full VR experience or just want to explore on your phone, there's a way in. The metaverse is designed to be accessible, not exclusive. Pick your platform, sign up, and you're ready to start exploring. It's that simple. The metaverse is made up of many platforms, each with its own style and community. Roblox is a massive world of user-created games and experiences, far more than just a kid's game. Fortnite has evolved into a social hub, hosting concerts, movie nights, and creative events. Decentraland and the Sandbox let you buy, build, and own virtual land using blockchain tech. VR Chat and Rec Room focus on socializing and creativity, letting you build worlds and meet people from anywhere. Each platform offers something unique, from gaming to art galleries to live events. Explore a few to find the vibe that fits you best. The metaverse is a collection of digital cities. Pick your destination. Ready to jump in? Here's how your first steps usually go. Pick a platform, let's say Rec Room, and create an account with your email and a username. Next, design your avatar. Choose your look, outfit, and style. It's your digital self. You'll start in a welcome area or personal room to get used to the controls. Practice moving, interacting, and exploring menus. Browse public rooms, games, and events. Don't be afraid to try something new. Join a game or event to meet people and learn by doing. Look for communities or clubs that match your interests: art, games, music, and more. Add friends and join groups to make the experience social. The more you participate, the more the metaverse feels like home. It's all about exploring, connecting, and having fun. Your adventure starts with a single click. The metaverse isn't just for exploring. You can build too. Most platforms offer beginner-friendly creation tools, like digital Lego bricks. Use tools like the Maker Pen in Rec Room or Roblox Studio to build objects and spaces. Start small. Customize your room or create a simple hangout spot. Experiment with shapes, colors, and props to learn the basics. As you get comfortable, try adding interactivity. like buttons that open doors or trigger effects. Visual scripting tools make it easy, even if you've never coded before. For advanced creators, platforms offer deeper tools and scripting languages. Just start building. Your imagination is the only limit. Creation is at the heart of the metaverse experience. Yes, you can make real money in the metaverse. Create and sell digital items, clothing, avatars, art, on marketplaces for real cash. Build games or experiences and earn revenue from players or in-game purchases. Play to earn games let you win cryptocurrency or NFTs, which you can sell. Virtual real estate is booming. Buy, develop, or rent out digital land. New jobs are popping up: event planners, tour guides, community managers, and more. The metaverse economy is growing fast, with opportunities for creators and entrepreneurs. If you have a skill or idea, there's a way to turn it into income. The digital frontier is open for business. Safety matters in the metaverse, just like anywhere online. Protect your personal info. Never share real names, addresses, or passwords. Use platform tools to mute, block, or report disruptive users. Watch out for scams. Never click suspicious links or share your login details. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Be respectful and help build a positive community. If you see bad behavior, report it to keep the space safe for everyone. Stay smart, stay safe, and enjoy your metaverse adventure. The best experiences happen when everyone looks out for each other.